What's up, my dudes? I'm making a very rushed junkyard finds because it's getting late in the day and I got a lot of stuff to pull off of this car. This is a Euro spec hardtop convertible E30. I didn't even realize it when I first walked up. I just noticed that it had headlight wipers, which stood out really quickly to me. I was like, I've never seen an E30 with headlight wipers. I messaged a friend of mine who he's a big BMW guy, helps me out with the BMW stuff, and he immediately called me and said, it's got the hardtop convertible, you gotta get that, everything. So it's a Euro spec. It's got the Euro bumpers, which you notice are, if you look at a regular US E30, bumpers are way bigger. It's got the Euro spec headlight wipers and grille and everything like that. It's got these rimps. Sorry for calling that rimps, but you know, it's got this unusual wood trim. I'm taking a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm trying to get through this quickly. Got the sport seats, which I don't think I'm going to take because I don't have the best luck with them. There was a local guy who was buying them from me, and then he disappeared, and I got stuck with a set of them. I still have them, unfortunately. It has the Euro headlight height adjustment, which is pretty rare. It's got rear fog light buttons, which apparently are really rare. It's got this, which is kind of cool. I've seen this on Volvos. I can't get this one though. It's a cassette holder. Little things pop out. I got the tool. There's a brand new fuel door as well. Trim. It's got this clock, which I just love the design. I don't know if I'm even going to sell it because it's such a cool design, but apparently that's like a rare Euro spec one. It's a low mileage car too. But I took the hardtop convertible, ran into trouble with that because I had it strapped to the roof rack on my Volvo 240 wagon, and then on the way to my in-laws who have my old Ranger, my car threw an alternator belt, so I had to slap some new alternator belts on, try and get all that stuff back together, and then get back here before the place closes so I can pull a few more stuff. Back bumpers are the Euro spec ones as well. The taillights are apparently the same, but they might be wired up differently. I looked through the trunk, filled with trash, but there is the I think the fourth wheel, the one that's missing off of this side. The fourth one is in the trunk, or it just maybe has another one that's as the spare, a matching spare. I don't know if that was a thing or not. It is automatic. Oh, what am I doing? It's an E30. Come on. Come on. It's been sitting for a while. The hardtop. Here's all the foam that's disintegrated. It's a standard US engine, nothing really special about that. It does have, apparently, for the headlight wipers, it's got a separate reservoir, so I'm going to be pulling that. But it was definitely sitting for a while. The hardtop, you could tell which side was facing north. I think it was this side, maybe, but the hardtop had turned a little green on one side. But yeah, alright. Apparently a very rare, unusual find. Hopefully I get someone to buy the convertible top pretty quickly. It's got the Euro valence. There's the plastic thing that goes right there. Broke off. Hella headlights made in Germany. I don't think these are the H4s. I'm not sure though. But I'm going to pull all that stuff out in a minute and find out. But pretty cool find. Apparently these hardtop convertibles, I think they're like Miata hardtop convertibles where they're really rare and they're sought after. It's got this Blaupunkt radio. I'm going to see if that's worth anything. Looks like it had this tarp sitting on top of it for a long time. Probably someone's in backyard for several years. I think the registration, yeah, 2006, so it could have been on the road 2007, 2008, but well, it's 2018 now, so that's like 10 years ago. Complete completely rusted out exhaust. Doesn't have the limited slip, I already checked that. But the biggest thing is this hardtop convertible. Apparently they go for pretty good money, so I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me all the other cool parts on this car that I am forgetting and are worth cash money. Bye.